Hey everybody, it's Scott Struhl from Everything Excelsius, and today I'd like to show you how to create a web service from a web intelligence report. So what I'm going to do here is open up a web intelligence report that I've created on the state, we call it state sales, and it has information from the eFashion universe. So once I've created the report, all I need to do is go into the design mode of the report and then highlight the report block that I want to publish as a web service. Once that block is highlighted, I choose to right click on that report and publish it. This brings up the publishing content wizard, which will then look at the report and set up the web service. So it says there is already content in here for this, so I'm going to replace the state sales web service that I have. We'll give it a new name and we'll just call it the new state sales service. You'll also want to click on set filters to determine which filters are going to be available in your web service to query on. So we're going to query on the state, perhaps the year. We don't want to filter on revenue or quantity, but we will likely want to query by city. And we choose those and click OK, and then we click next, and we decide now which web services is going to be published into. So I'll highlight the state sales one again and then choose publish. That's it. The web service has been deployed. The next thing we can do now is test that web service, and that is done over here through the Manage BI Services window. We open up our managed services, open up the state sales, and there we see our new web service, new state sales. So we highlight the web service and click the next, the test button. And now we need to find the operation that we want to test. Now we called ours new, so we're going to find the one called new, and there it is. Get report block, new state sales service, and then the other one is drill. So depending on what function you want to do is whether you're getting all the data or you want to drill on the data, you choose which operation to best suit that function. So we'll say get report block and then hit send, which will return all our results from that data. And if you see here, this information here is the same as our report. If we wanted to filter now, what we would need to do is go down to, let's say, a state, and just look for a specific state. So to filter that data, we can type in the state, and we'll type in Florida. And the operator that we want to filter by is we want the state to be equal to Florida. Once we enter those two and now send that, those input parameters are sent to the query, and our results are now just Florida. The next step in the process is going to be to use this web service, perhaps from a dashboard, and we'll get to that in the next session. Thanks very much. Talk to you soon. Bye.